Well, that's a ground bait mix. Let's go fishing at Partridge. Not you, Gizmo. Good morning, welcome to Aquatic College. My name is Bri and today I am fishing at Partridge Fisheries on Holbar Lake. And today we have a special guest. We have Uncle Malcolm. Yay! And I'm fishing with my dad. So yeah, fingers crossed we'll catch some fish and we'll get back to you in a bit.
So every time me and my dad go fishing, we have a little bit of a competition and we have a point system. For a carp that's in double figures, you get 4 points. For a carp that's over £5, you get 3 points. For a carp under £5, you get 2 points. And for any other fish that's not a carp, you get 1 point. And at the end of the day, we'll see who's got the most points and wins the competition.
There's an extra 2 points awarded to the person who catches the biggest carp.
So all the lines were in the water and it was just a waiting game to see who got the first bite. But it didn't take long for one of our rods to go, and it was my dad's rod, and he got this lovely 8.2 pound common carp, which gave him a 3-0 lead. And then, not long later, his rod went again, and he got a 5.4 pound common, which gave him a 6-0 lead. I was a little bit worried. Finally I was off the mark with this 8.1 pound mirror carp, which made it 6-3. But then my dad, he instantly got another fish. He got this really nice 7.7 pound mirror carp to make it 9-3. And then I got the slimiest of slimy bream to make it 9-4. I was hoping this wasn't a sign of things to come.
Left one, so definitely having to go like that. Go on, it's somewhere. It's got it. Is that right inside?
Margin, yeah.
Oh, he's got the margin. What's it? Carrier, right? A big fish too. I'm chucking right up there. It's, big net or little?
Big one just in case.
It's a decent one. It's not bad. I'm chucking right up there. Keep an eye on my rods, Mark. Oh, it's a big one, Brian. You should only get half the point if you catch them in the margin. It's a biggie. Duel.
Can't see a thing.
That's coming easy, didn't he? Ooh, he's a biggie.
So my second fish from the margins is this 11.8 pound mirror carp. Well chuffed. So I'll chuck it back and get its granddad. So this is my third carp, second one from the near margin, and it's a 7.7 pound mirror carp. Really nice fish.
Well, my lead didn't last long. My dad came back with this 4.4 pound common to make it 11 all. And then he got a 8 pound mirror carp to make it 14-11. I came back with this 7.7 pound common to make it 14 all. And then my dad caught a mirror carp at 6.7 pounds to make it 17-14. And then another mirror carp at just over 10 pounds to make it 21-14. And I think he must have hit a shoal because he got a 7 pound mirror carp to make it 24-14. So I was 24-14 down and not had a bite for 2.5 hours, so I decided to have a nap. And suddenly, started getting bites.
Right one, right. Sorry?
Yeah.
Have you got one?
Yeah.
I got this small common carp at £5 to make it 24.17, and then the bites just kept on coming.
Third barbel in a row. Still 3 points though.
So with this £4.1 common, the deficit was down to 2 points. As per usual, my dad caught again with this £7.1 common to make it 22.27. Then I replied with this nice mirror carp at £4.5 to be within 3, but then my dad, he caught again with this common at £5.6 to make it 30.24. And then I got an eyed to make it 30.25, and then this happened.
Video, this will be the outfit. He's got the video going.
And this is the last fish of the day for me, I think it is, and it's £7.3. It puts the score 30-30 with 4 minutes left, so I'm going to chuck it in the water and try and get one last one.
So as it got to 7 PM, the scores were tied at 30 all, so we decided we'd have 15 minutes extra and see if we could get a winner. So we both cast it out, waited, and yes, one rod did go, but whose was it? Well, it'll probably come to no surprise. The person who caught the fish was my dad, and he got this really nice barbel to make the scores 31-30. So well done, Dad, well deserved, great win. Overall, it was a really good day. It was nice to fish with my Uncle Malcolm, and hopefully we can all go again soon. So thanks for watching, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all soon. Thanks for watching.
So my second carp, casting the margins, and I've got this really nice bugger.
Got this really nice bucket.
So my second carp, I've cast it in the margins, and I've got this. Better. Right, no saying cheese because I'm filming.
Alright. It's running now.
I think so. I'll just edit it. It cracks us up that one when you're going, geez, Jim, I'm going film and you go, oh. It cracks us up. Baby carp, do 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 do, baby carp, do 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 do, baby carp, do 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 do, baby carp.